Python Turtle strives to provide the lowest threshold way to learn, or teach, software development in the Python programming language. Students command an interactive Python shell, similar to the idle development environment, and use Python functions to move a turtle displayed on the screen. An illustrated help screen introduces the student to the basics of Python programming while demonstrating how to move the turtle. Turtle is a Python feature like a drawing board, which lets us command a turtle to draw all over it. We can use functions like turtle. To make use of the turtle methods and functionalities, we need to import turtle. Turtle comes packed with a standard Python package and need not be installed externally. The roadmap for executing a turtle program follows 4 steps. Import the turtle module. Create a turtle to control. Draw around using the turtle methods. Run turtle.done.